Withdrawing money from your Stripe account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe account by entering your credentials on the Stripe website. Make sure you are using the correct account associated with your business. Step 2. Navigate to the Balance section. Once logged in, locate the Balance tab on the dashboard. This section displays your available funds and recent transactions. Step 3. Initiate a transfer. In the Balance section, look for the option to transfer or pay it. Click on this option to start the process of moving funds to your bank account. Step 4. Select your bank account. Choose the bank account you want to withdraw the funds to. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you will need to add one by providing the necessary banking details. Step 5. Confirm the transfer. Review the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transfer. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer is being processed. Once you complete these steps, your funds will be on their way to your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account for the transfer, as it may take a few business days to process.